Hello, welcome to another episode of the Plant-Based Duo.
Hi! Today we're bringing you a step-by-step guide on how to become
Vegan. Let's start this video.
Step 1. The first step.
Analyze what you want, why you want to be vegan. Is it because of health, animals, or any other reason that you might have?
Environment.
Yeah, that one too.
You need to have a profound reason to do it. If not, you're gonna
Not do
fall off. I think so.
Yeah.
The second step, I would say, would be educate yourself. Like when we first started doing this, and we were all over the place, investigating, researching, all over the internet.
Trying new foods.
Finding out new recipes and reading labels at the supermarket for hours.
Yeah. You know, that's a toughie.
Yeah, so maybe find people like us that can help you. Maybe follow people on the internet that you like. Ask for advice. Maybe, people you know. You probably know a vegan or two. So ask them questions, and I'm pretty sure they will be happy to help.
Yeah. People like explaining things.
Yeah, no, and I think choosing the approach that goes best with your personality. For example, we went cold turkey.
Yeah.
I like to joke that we went cold tofu. But for some people, it's just week by week eliminating something.
Yeah.
And week by week adding something. Because it's not just about cutting food from your diet, it's about adding.
Yeah.
When we started and we opened up our horizons with food, it was like, I never thought of eating this, and we tried a lot of different kind of foods, right?
Yeah. For example, I remember the first time we tried textured soy, and it was on pizza. And I didn't know why there was that. I never realized what it was. I was like, that's weird. It's squishy. It reminds me of meat. Mm-hmm. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to eat it. But now, with more information, we know how to cook this.
Yeah, more information, and it's been a long time since we became vegan, so now we know how to cook certain things that we didn't know at first.
Yeah.
So yeah, practice makes perfect.
Yeah, that's how I came out. Step 4. Find vegan alternatives. Replace your favorite non-vegan foods with plant-based alternatives. Such like milk, meat, eggs, cheese, and maybe honey.
Okay, how can you replace milk?
There are many types of vegan alternatives like soy milk, rice milk, almond milk, coconut milk.
Oh my god.
Many nut milks.
Yeah.
And cheese is usually made of coconut milks, and some stores too give.
No, they carry cashew cheese and like nutty cheeses.
Yeah.
Yeah, so be careful if you're allergic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And meat, you got Beyond Meat, you got tofu, you got soy, you got even some vegetables can even act like meat, which are very surprising.
Yeah, and you have seitan, but if you're gluten sensitive or celiac or have celiac disease, stay away from that.
And if you don't like weird things that crumble in your mouth, don't choose seitan.
Yeah, we don't have that. Well, because we live with someone that has a gluten sensitivity, but
it's also
I do like it, but because I'm so conscious about gluten, I don't eat it that much. But if I'm out in a restaurant and they don't make that face, it's not that disgusting.
Oh God. And you also have eggs. But for replacement of eggs, you can use tofu. I have a recipe of tofu scramble I could show you, which is very yummy.
Yeah.
And there's other things that you can use for eggs depending on what you want.
Yeah, if you're baking, it's like flaxseed, chia seeds, even yogurt can help.
Yeah. And if you're, you want to eat a raw egg, that's a little harder to do.
Yeah, no, some restaurants here in Madrid at least, they do make a fake egg that is pretty surprising. But at home, I think it's a little bit hard. Yeah,
Yeah,
to
you need
achieve.
chemicals.
Yeah. The step 5 would be to plan your meals. I like to batch cook, so we always have something ready to eat in the fridge, and because he's a teenager, he's growing so fast and he eats so much. So I always have something in the fridge ready to warm up and just eat. Yeah, it's easier if you plan your meals ahead. And you can follow your budget. I think it's a good way to stay organized and stay on top of things.
Step 6, stock up your kitchen. For example, you would need to buy things like cashews, vegetables, anything you want to eat, obviously plant-based, and it's just find the alternatives you want. Find the things you like. If you don't know how that tastes, you can search up how to make good recipes, because if you try to eat tofu like it's just on pan, it tastes bland.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like anything.
No, it's
But
just
I
boring.
think if you eat raw chicken, it doesn't taste like anything as well. So it's not about tofu being bland or chicken being bland. It's about you not knowing how to make it.
Yeah, because we established on the other episode, if
You need to learn how to cook.
it's a
I think it's a
important-
basic human ability to know how to cook and to.
Yeah.
It's a grown-up thing. You have to be able to cook for yourself.
I'm not a grown up, but I can cook.
Yeah, because you're going in the right direction. It's also very helpful to keep healthy snacks on hand, like hummus,
Popcorn.
I don't like popcorn that much, but
Olives.
yeah, fruits, nuts, and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Step 7, take supplements. Well, as a vegan, you're gonna need to take the B12 supplement because that supplement comes from the soil the cows eat. B12 is something you're gonna need, and right now because the soil is depleted and you don't get any of the minerals of any vitamins you would actually need, the well, can we say cattle? The cattle gets B12 shots into them, so you're taking a supplement from them if you're eating a cow, if it makes sense.
Yeah.
So they're getting shots and then you're benefiting from it. But yeah, I don't like intermediaries, so I just take my B12 shot, which is just a little cherry pill
Flavor.
that we take
Nice.
once a week.
In Amazon, we can link it up.
Oh yeah, and it's pretty simple. You could find also omegas because of the algae.
Oh,
Fish eat the algae and you eat the fish, so you get the omegas.
yeah.
So once again, we cut in their intermediary and we just have the omegas made out of algae. And what else? Maybe vitamin D, but that's not because you're vegan. That's just common
good.
sense because you're inside all the time and it's really necessary. Yeah, we're really pale and we need our vitamin D. And I think that's it. I think this misconception that vegans need to supplement a lot, and I know a lot of non-vegan people that take 60 pills in the morning just to exist. They're like, no, I just eat my fruits and my veggies and I'm good to go.
Yeah. Eat food. Step 8. Learn how to dine out. I would recommend to look at the menus from restaurants before you even go, so you can make yourself an idea of what you can eat and what you want to eat, obviously. And if you see you have no option, probably tell the people you're hanging out
Maybe
with.
get better friends. No, but you can ask for modifications, but most restaurants are very accommodating.
Yeah.
Just
And-
take the tuna out of my salad, you know.
I would recommend you using apps like Happy Cow, where you can find restaurants all around the world that are vegan, vegetarian, or have vegan options.
Yeah.
Very useful app.
Very useful. And you can also save your
The one-
favorite ones and the ones you want to visit.
And leave comments.
Yeah,
So
pretty good.
it's a useful app.
So step 9 would be how to handle social situations. Let your friends and family know about your new situation and expect them to be super curious and maybe a little bit defensive. And you can try to bring dishes to social gatherings so people can try them out. And you have to be very patient with all the questions and comments from others because, everybody has their own opinion
Yeah.
and they don't hesitate to share with you.
No. Patience, master. Step number 10. Stay inspired and keep learning.
Yeah.
You should watch documentaries to learn a little bit about veganism, the benefits, the downsides. Not that many downsides. Read books if you like reading. We both do. So you
How
can.
Not to Die, it's a great book. Dr. Greger, I think he's called. Yeah, it's a great book. And also, what documentaries did you watch? Because I know you watched a lot.
Have watched some documentaries like Dominion, The Game Changers, and What the Hell.
Yeah, but did you watch Dominion?
Yeah, we watched Dominion. You woke me up at 8 a.m. and you showed me Dominion. I wanted to cry.
But you didn't watch it.
Yes, I did.
Like 4 minutes.
More than you did. Like 10 minutes. And you
10 minutes? Oh, God. Okay, yeah.
I saw Foxkin's skin.
I don't want to know that. No, yeah, I watched Dominion for 4 minutes and then I was like, yeah, I'm vegan.
I watched The Game Changers and I was already vegan. So.
And also, if you, there's one on Netflix that is called, I think, Live to 100, the Blue Zones something.
Oh, yeah.
And that's very good also. It's not about being vegan, but it's all about,
Health.
yeah, health and community and, yeah, I love it. Yeah.
People.
Yeah. And also follow vegan blogs, YouTubers like us, communities for motivation, and maybe like an accountability buddy or something like that.
So keep learning because information is power.
Oh, yeah, my philosophical body.
Alright, that's a wrap on today's episode on the plant-based duo.
If you liked it, amazing. And if not, well, we'll try harder next time, maybe.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share for us.
Until then, stay plant-based or at least try.
And let's say it.
Have a green day.
Peace out.